In this video, I'm going to show you how to see post insights on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram and then go to your profile. Here, first you need to be sure that you switched your account to creator or business account. You can tap there at three lines icon, then tap on settings, and in here tap on account. Then scroll down for a bit until you find that option, switch account type. If I tap on that, it says now that I can switch my account to personal or to business account. That means that my account is creator account now. So I cannot to switch to any other types. If it says switch to professional account, tap on that and switch your account to creator or business. And once you did that, you can open up your Instagram profile, you can open up some posts or reel, and right here underneath the post picture, here you can find view insights feature. You can tap on that to get post insights, where you can get information about likes at that post, about number of comments, replays, bookmarks, and a bunch of other different information. And also in here you can boost this post. Just tap right here and then you will be able to pay money to promote your specific post. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.